Hi, I'm Bob Gailey, and I'm the owner slash inventor of the Smart Shovel. Folks say, what in the world is a Smart Shovel? Well, hopefully in the next few seconds, maybe a minute or so, I'll try to explain to you what a Smart Shovel is. First of all, that's the name we made for the shovel, but the patented name is a grade measuring shovel. This shovel, as you can see, it's an ordinary shovel, but it has a tape embedded in the handle. We have 2 or 3 different kinds. We have a square point, a round point, and then we have the little trench shovel. All these are long handle shovels, and the tape is embedded in the handle. Reason for that, I spent 50 some odd years in the construction industry. I was in 13 years I spent in the engineering department with the Department of Transportation. Outside of that, I was in the business, in and out of the business. And so after I had retired, I was watching a crew put in a foundation and, watching how they did it like I always did it. They took a piece of tape and wrapped it around the shovel handle, and they used that as something to measure by. It had to be all footings and slabs, and as far as residential construction, it has a depth it has to be. Footings, 18 inches depth, 24 inches wide, according to what kind of load that's on it. But anyway, they had to be checked. And normally they are checked, they're dug with a shovel and a backhoe, and they either use this or old-fashioned way this. So what my shovel does, as far as houses does, it eliminates one of those, whichever one they're using. In other words, this is embedded in the handle. Everybody on the job that has a shovel in their hand has a tape. Roadway engineering, roadway construction, when laying a pipe, they lay pipe with a laser. And these lasers are set up to be a certain grade, percent of grade for each pipeline. And then they set this laser up so that you can measure from the beam to the bottom of the pipe, where the pipe is actually going to lay. And just behind the backhoe operator is a man with a shovel, one of these, and he used one that'll put the tape on it. This eliminates the tape. A lot of them use this. They lay their shovel down and pick this up and shoot it with a laser. When they're putting down base or even to the subgrade, base means the foundation underneath the asphalt paving, it's all checked by pulling from one stake, which is a stake set up on each side of the road to give them an elevation to go by. So they pull a string from side to side, and they have to measure that to make sure that the dirt is cut down low enough. And then they come back in front of a motor grader, putting down the stone. Then they redo that, pull a string from side to side, measure down, and check and make sure that it's at the right depth. The stone is the right depth. So these are ways that you actually use this, because most people say, well, I don't understand, Well, all construction people pretty well understand just by looking at it, what it can do and what it should do. If you're a homeowner digging a mailbox post or fence post, depth of shrubbery, which always requires a specific depth. These are the things that that you use this shovel for. And what it does, it eliminates all these other measuring devices, even though you can still use them. It's just, actually, instead of putting a tape on your side, you've got it here. Everybody has one. And the greatest thing is, this shovel doesn't cost maybe a couple of dollars more than any other shovel in a Home Depot or Lowe's or wherever it may be. And I've interviewed probably 200 or 300 contractors, and I say, well, if you could find this shovel, you know, at the marketplace, just beside any other shovel, do you think you'd buy it? Well, everybody says it's a no-brainer. I mean, here we are, we got a tape and shovel all combined. So, and I'll agree, it is a no-brainer. And that's where you use it. So, and in the next, when you go, we got some shots of or some videos of the shovel in use with various contractors. Thank you very much. This is a shovel shot using a laser.